vlog this shit a little harder than I thought it was. Ugh. Let me start from the top one more time. Alright y'all, welcome to the video. This is my first video. I'm here to introduce y'all to my project car I've been working on for a few weeks now. It's kind of bad, but I'm trying to get it together and make it look kind of cool, bring it back, you know what I mean? Lighten it up a little bit and probably put a little swag on it. It's like my real first build. Yeah, let's get into it. I'm about to show y'all what it is. I'm gonna take y'all around there, show you what the car is, and we're gonna go from there. All right, y'all. We in it. It's hot as shit out here. I ain't gonna lie to you. But we in the car. This is the interior. Seats. Car. Pretty sure by now y'all can probably figure out what it is. Sweat like a hooker in church. I need to open the window. Hey.
Post a job on Monster for free with a 1-week trial. Visit.
Turn that off. All right, y'all, we in the car. As you can tell, it's a Infiniti G35 coupe. It's a 2003. It was in a light accident. The guy I got it from, he said he hydroplaned and smacked the guardrail and balled this joint up. So I've been working on it for the last like 4 weeks or so, trying to piece it back together, get it back right. So far, it's not too bad. You know, chasing down parts is one of the hardest things to do for these cars. The salvage yard will either want a whole lot of money for the parts, or it's like they don't have it at all. So that's been a task. But thanks to Facebook Marketplace, and I met a couple people along the way, helped me out. What's up, man? Yeah, you're probably looking at me like I'm crazy in here shooting this video. So Facebook Marketplace and meeting a couple different people helped me get this popping. And man, I am hot. Hot. Damn, I've only been in this thing for like 5 minutes and I'm already like sweating like a slave, man. Anyway, but yeah, I think it's like it was a light accident. So damn, I'm losing my train of thought real fast. Let me get myself together. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. So I'm back. So anyway, like I was saying, it's a 2003 Infiniti G35 coupe. I got it for like $1,000. I think I paid $1,200 to be exact. So far, I'm into the car about 3,000. Let me just show you my progress. See, you got the blown airbag right now. I got a replacement one of these. So I'm gonna swap the bag out. It runs, as you can see, 6-speed. Got a replacement one of these. Probably gonna Gorilla Glue these back. parts. I had to replace it from the salvage yard. Eventually I'm going to toss some aftermarket exhaust. I said aftermarket exhaust, I'm tripping. You can hear that exhaust leak. Anyway, this is a replacement. The old suspension I had to take off. As you can see, the strut was bent, the knuckles was all twisted up, upper control arm was bent, the lower control arm was bent as well. That's in the trunk. I'll show you a picture of that. This is the old hood. As you can see, this thing is bent all up. Definitely got the Brimbos on there. I got to replace the rotors and the actual pads. These are 20s that's on there right now. I'm gonna get those cleaned up. I'm gonna sand them down, probably repaint these a different color, I think in black or something. I'm gonna toss some new side skirts on here. I'm leaning towards those KBD side skirts they have. I think I've probably seen them on Mike Girl G35. Definitely gonna handle that. Fender, that's the best one I could find. I got a pretty decent good deal on that. Just a little bit of surface rust on that. Fix that. I'm taking it to the body guy tomorrow. Actually, I need to call him once I finish this. Inside of here, all the factory but replaced them. I replaced all of that in there. Had a little bit of power steering leak, fixed that. Probably gonna toss some new power steering coolant on here too. Cooler, not coolant. I have a new radiator core support. When I take it to the body guy, he's gonna replace all of that for me. Have it on there. My shit. Ugly. I hate this rear bumper. I'm gonna toss a stock one on there. But that's later on down the road. Headlight. I got some new headlights, factory ones. Got some downpipes because my downpipes I have on here got a hole in them. So got some used Megan racing joints. So I'm gonna toss those on. Probably pronounced that wrong, but yeah, Megan racing joint. Oh, that's my old control arm right there. It was all bent the fuck up. Like, look at this. It ain't supposed to look like that. Had to beat that out with the Mr. Persuader here. Old battery. As y'all can see, it used to be a red car. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna paint it back black again. And then, or I'm gonna wrap it. Or try my hand at wrapping. I can't wrap, I don't know. But we gonna see. It's my bumper. Got a little crack in it. Exhaust. So, me, I'm gonna keep on working on this. I'm gonna keep y'all abreast of with everything I'm doing. I just wanted to get a video out there. I've been telling people I'm gonna put one up, but here I am shooting it. Gotta get used to comfortable with holding this camera in my hand, and then it doesn't even help that I got a big ass camera in my hand at that. But it's cool, not just a little GoPro. I'm probably gonna do, like I said, I'm gonna take it to the body guy tomorrow. He gonna pull the fender for me. Matter of fact, let me show y'all that. I'll be right back. Alright, this is the engine bay, as y'all can see. Missing half my damn radiator core support. He smacked that thing out. That thing broke like crazy. Got a new piece. Aftermarket air intake. Your stock DE. Alright, so this is where the accident happened on this side. As you can see, I'm off on this side here. It's supposed to be here, so I can button the rest of the fender in, but as you go back, it's not so bad. I managed to get a bolt in to hold it on for now. As you can see, it's folded over a little bit, but I'm going to take it to the body guy. He's gonna pull that out for me, get me back straight, so I can bolt these fenders up right. And he's gonna replace this radiator core support. I was gonna do it myself, but he was like, nah, just bring it to me, I'll do it for you. So we're gonna see how this go. Never used the mobile dude before, so I was gonna take it to the shop, but the shop wanted way too much money for that. So I looked up a mobile repair dude. He said bring it to his house. So we're gonna see how this go. I don't know. So as I said, I'm closing out my video here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do an outro when I get in the house. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. Welcome to the channel. I'm here to introduce y'all to. Fuck. What do I want to say? What the fuck do I want to say? All right, here we go. All right, y'all. Welcome to the channel. I've been working on a project for a little while now, and I'm thinking about to introduce y'all to the project. Damn, this vlog is shit a little harder than I thought it was. Ugh. Let me start from the top.